OnePlus is back with another surprise, and this time it's the OnePlus 13T set to launch on April 24 in China. This new addition to the OnePlus 13 family is turning heads, and honestly, I'm already pretty hyped about it. Think of the OnePlus 13T as the younger sibling of the original OnePlus 13, smaller, more compact, but just as powerful. And when I say powerful, I'm not exaggerating. The phone has already made an appearance on Geekbench, showing off scores that put it in the same league as absolute heavyweights like the Galaxy S25 Ultra and the iPhone 16 Pro Max. That's no small achievement for a phone that's supposed to be a T variant. But let's be real, performance isn't everything. What really got my attention is the way this phone looks. Yes, it's got the Snapdragon 8 Elite under the hood, up to 16 gigabytes of RAM, and rumors are pointing to a massive 6000 mAh battery. So performance and battery life won't be an issue. But this time, OnePlus also decided to step up their design game. And thank goodness for that, because while the OnePlus 13 is a solid performer, its design didn't exactly win everyone over. The huge circular camera bump on the back, not really my favorite. It made the phone look bulky and a little dated, especially when you consider how sleek the rest of the competition is getting. That's where the OnePlus 13T really changes the game. Even though it shares a lot of the internal hardware with the OnePlus 13, it's sporting a completely new exterior, and that's a smart move. I mean, if you're going to release two phones that are similar in specs, at least make them visually distinct. OnePlus clearly got that memo. Instead of the big round camera island, the OnePlus 13T is rocking a cleaner, more modern rectangular camera module. It gives off major iPhone 16 and Galaxy S25 Edge vibes, and I mean that in the best way possible. It looks classy, more refined, and very much in tune with where flagship design is heading in 2025. The phone is expected to feature two 50-megapixel cameras and a compact 6.3-inch display, a step down in size compared to the 6.8-inch display on the original OnePlus 13, which also had a triple 50-megapixel setup, including a telephoto lens. But hey, for most users, dual 50-megapixel shooters are more than enough, especially when they're paired with this level of processing power. When you place the OnePlus 13T next to the iPhone 16 or the Galaxy S25 Edge, you'll notice that while they all have their unique identity, there's definitely a shared design language going on. The back of the phones looks cleaner, more symmetrical, and just more polished overall. OnePlus seems to be leaning into this trend, and I think it's a brilliant move. It's not just the looks either. OnePlus has been borrowing ideas from Apple for a while now, and that's not a bad thing. We've seen their own take on the dynamic island, and now they've ditched the iconic alert slider in favor of a new customizable button, when choosing their perfect look. So whether you're here for the aesthetics or the specs, or ideally both, the 13T is shaping up to be a pretty compelling package. OnePlus clearly understands that in 2025, power and performance are expected, but design is what makes people excited. And with the 13T, they've managed to offer a phone that doesn't just deliver in performance benchmarks, but also turns heads while doing it. Honestly, I think this is the OnePlus flagship that many of us were waiting for. Stay tuned for the official release. Thanks for watching. Until next time.